Hey there! Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a phone with a cracked screen. Temporary. So, if you got a phone with a cracked screen and you really need to use it, but you can't put your fingers on it because of all the splinters, you may get cut. Alright, I'm going to show you an easy way. First, get your phone with a cracked screen. Second, get some clear masking tape. Third, get a razor, scissors, any sharp object, and put it on the screen. Measure it up any size length. Cut it. Bite it. And you'll be able to use your phone. As you can see, I did it. It still looks cracked, but it's tape. Tape is on it, so it feels really nice. And that's how to fix a cracked screen for a phone. Temporary, until you get a new screen. Hope it helps you.